I mean, he's gonna listen.
Why you say that? Why you say that?
Chris is so nonchalant. You know if he really into your conversation or if he just really just saying, because he can multitask. I have seen Chris multitask, and he can act like your ass is not even talking about Sylvia, and still clicking on the damn computer.
Well, one thing
I heard everything you said.
He got much game and much knowledge.
Cool.
Right when I am so lost for words, he always has the right thing to say about everything. So he is a very good person to talk to about shit. He is going to tell you the fuck isn't real.
That's how my sister is. And I be like, bitch, how you gonna give me advice if your shit is all fucked up? How? Damn it, help me. Lord, help me do that. Cause one minute you happy with this nigga, next minute you can't stand it. One minute y'all love fucking and shit, next minute y'all fighting, calling the police. What the fuck is going on? This shit is stressful. And then y'all always come to me. They always come to me, Chris. My brother say, sister, I admire you because you strong. You doing it all by yourself. You don't got nobody. But I'm not trying to have your sister struggle like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be the man that you know what I'm saying, that she wants me to be. But my sister be chilling. That bitch needs psychological evaluation. That bitch needs But I told her, everything that you do to somebody, that shit gonna come back on your ass. Cause the same shit that you doing to Isaiah, you did it to Rodney. You know what I'm saying? You did it to people. You kick people when they really, really down. And then you kick them so far and you keep on saying shit to make them feel even lower.